Okay, so now, for example, if we are finished creating this material, we can now close this folder. Next, I'll try to duplicate this whole material set. We can do that by right-clicking, and then we can choose duplicate the layer or Control D. Now we have two groups of layers. I will name this, for example, blue. This is going to be blue materials. And then I'll go inside the folder. I'll go down to the two color layers, and then I'll just change their base colors to blue. All the base colors are now going to be blue, for example. So since this layer or this layer group is on top, I can clearly see them. I can turn off the layer and turn it on just to show you the order. Next, after I have done this, I will select once more this blue materials layer, and then what I'll do next is I'll add a mask. I'll add a black mask. As expected, the black mask will cover it. Now, in the black mask, I can use the brush. By default, I can use the brush to unmask it, portions of it, to reveal this material. But I will undo that. Instead of using the brush, I can also use this. While having the mask selected, I can go here in the polygon options too. Here, I can select that polygon or polygon fill options, and then as you can see in the properties, there are several options that you can use for coloring or filling out your UV or your object. I can choose this, the fill UVs option. With the fill UV selected, I can zoom in on the UV, and then I can just simply double click, and then a white color is going to be applied. And since that is how the masking works, white means reveal, black means hide. So I will go for the white so that it will reveal the blue areas. For example, here, and then here, that's the side, and then here, that's the back. And then for example, the inner rim, this one, there. So everything now that I have double click via UVs are colored blue. So that is one way of how you can combine two materials in one object. This time, our object is having two materials, and one of them is masked so that only certain portions appear. Okay, so on the next lesson, I will export this material and apply it to a 3D software package, for example, Maya. I'll see you on that lesson.